Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do screen recording with Clipchamp. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Clipchamp, and first of all, I'm going to create a new video. You can click on this menu to start creating a new video. And okay, now the project has been created, and if we want to record screen, we can go to this menu, record and create, and here you can do screen recording with your camera, or you can also do the screen recording only. And I'm going to try this one, screen and camera. Okay, and if we want to start the recording, we can click on this button, and I'm going to click on this button to start it. And for example, I'm just going to select window. I'm going to open my window. Let's say I want to record my file explorer. So I'm just going to go back, and I'm going to select my file explorer. You can also record entire screen, but here I'm just going to select Windows, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, then we can click on share. And now the recording process is being started. And if we want to stop, we can click on stop sharing. And now the recording process is being started. Again, this is the result. And if you want to stop, we can click on stop sharing. If you have been satisfied with this recording, you can click on save and edit. But if you're not satisfied, you can click on retake recording. And I'm just going to click on save and edit. Okay, then you can add the recording to your project. You'll be able to add it with the Clipchamp. Alright guys, and that's all the way to do screen recording using Clipchamp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.